No, he has no capacity.
No, I've allowed him. I've allowed him.
Proceed, Honorable Wandayi.
The speaker has declined. Just give him.
Proceed, Honorable Wandayi. Many members want to speak on this.
Yeah. Just hold on, Honorable Wamboka. He will speak after me. The Honorable Speaker, I was just saying this, that some of those people who have milked the sugar sector dry, some of them were in ODM, but now they have found a natural home. They went to the natural home in Oda. And we know them, and you also know them, Honorable Baye. You know them. Yes. We are not, who is speaking? We are not going to allow, even as we enact this bill or this act, for the old practices to continue. And we must put them on notice that sugar sector employs hundreds of thousands of Kenyans, and that millions of Kenyans derive their livelihood from that sector. Mr. Speaker, to show you the extent of this corruption, the extent of this blatant pilferage, take the case of Miwani Sugar Company. Miwani Sugar Company in the Nyando Sugar Belt, and particularly in Muhoroni constituency, represented ably by the Honorable Jamuku, James Onyango Kuyu. Mr. Speaker, Miwani is in a sorry set of affairs. Miwani, as we speak, even though on paper is said to be a publicly owned company, even though Miwani is perceived to be a public company, long changed hands. It's no longer owned by the public. The majority shareholding was stolen by people whose names are known, by the registrar of companies, which have been named. Mr. Speaker, the land, the nucleus estate, including the land on which the Miwani Sugar Factory stands, to the tune of more than 9,000 hectares. 9,000 hectares of land that previously belonged to Miwani is now in the hands of a private entity. The name is called what? Crossley. Crossley Company Limited. That is owned by people who also have got interest in Kibo's Sugar Factory, are currently the purported owners of over 9,000 hectares of land that belongs to Miwani Sugar Factory, a factory that was owned by the public, land which was donated by our ancestors, our Luo ancestors. The Luo people of Miwani donated this land for the purposes of establishing Miwani Sugar Factory. How can you deprive the Luo of their land and give it to a Muhindi? How? Today I will name them. You are prodding me, so I will name them. How do you take over land that belongs to the public, the size of over 9,000 acres? I am told they were being assisted by some of my who? I don't know about that. But the fact of the matter is that unless and until the issue of Miwani Sugar Company land is addressed, there will be no reforms in the sugar sector, I can tell you. Because Miwani represents the ugly side of the sugar sector. And Mr. Speaker, you know this. You come from very close to that area. I wish you'd add me some 10 more minutes so that I can name more names. You will pick it up from where I leave it. Honorable Koyo. If I don't speak for the poor Luo landowners in Miwani, who will speak for them? And therefore, I'm not ashamed. You can call me a tribalist if you wish. But I must speak for the helpless Luo farmers and Luo landowners in Miwani.
Point of order, Speaker. Point of order.
Why do you deprive people of their land and their heritage? Mr. Speaker, another issue that is the cause of the current state of affairs in the sugar sector is the fact that these players are just a cartel. The same people who are doing the sugar milling are the same ones who are doing the importation. I am being told one of them is a Rai family. How can you be a sugar miller and at the same time a sugar importer? How? How can you? What will stop you from sabotaging the sugar subsector so that you can be given a chance to import? And in most cases, the same characters are the ones who are given licenses for importation. You can go for